style here at Whole Foods Market to show how easy it can be to make mint glaze. Start with 1 cup confectioner sugar, 2 to 4 tablespoons of regular milk, and start out with 2 tablespoons so you can just make sure that you don't add too much so the consistency can be just right. And we're going to add about a tablespoon of mint liqueur that we've done in a previous eHow video. Give it a good stir. And even if it looks too thick, like it's not going to come together, just keep stirring and eventually you'll have a nice glaze. Add another tablespoon. And this recipe is actually good for if you want to glaze it with waffles or your favorite pound cake, coffee cake, even pancakes. And actually you can top it off with some fruit. And 1 more tablespoon is perfect. And this is how simple mint glaze can be.